Aid for Rural Education Access Initiative, also known as Area High, is a non-profit, vision-driven, non-profit initiative that designs and implements formal and informal accelerated learning programs to ensure access to employability, empowerment, and educational opportunities for disadvantaged children in rural communities. The COVID-19 alert platform that we built, accessible via USSD, is as simple as dialing the code *347*774*1# that gives you access to 4 major features. The first one is called the Prevention Trivia, series of questions that informs you about the foundational understanding of the COVID-19 pandemic, the COVID-19 virus, the infections, preventive measures, and how you can protect yourself from the virus. We have another feature called the COVID-19 Fact. We put together a compendium of very key information about the COVID-19 virus that also enables you to build knowledge. Then we have the COVID-19 Myths, which is designed to help you dispel erroneous misperception that people have been able to circulate around the virus itself. And I think the very last one, which was very, very instructive, is the COVID-19 vaccination centers. What we did was to put together all the names as well as the address and locations of all centers where the COVID vaccine is being given across Nigeria.
The challenges we faced while we're writing or developing our solution, which is the COVID-19 alert. Number one is data. Right? Access to data is quite difficult to access data in Nigeria, particularly. Right? What are the figures of COVID-19 infected cases? How many people have been vaccinated? Where can we find vaccination centers? Find those data was quite difficult for us, and that's like one of the biggest challenges we encounter while we're working on that innovation. And the second one is misinformation. So if you go online and you find different information that do not relate or are not right or are not correct about COVID-19, the vaccine itself, and the virus and the spread of it. Right. The first thing that helped us was the NCDC website or portal. So we're able to access the portal where we had access to information that regards COVID-19 prevention measures, safety, and also we're able to access the database of vaccination centers across Nigeria, right, including the FCT. So, the NCC portal has a lot of information that was very useful for us. So we got quite a number of feedbacks from the feedback mechanisms that we use on the platform. There was a response from Mr. Olusoji. The man is about 64 years old, an aged man, talking about how the information helped him to dismiss some of the myth around, salts curing COVID-19. I was laughing myself because I've heard that kind of information too before. So, the solution was quite helpful, and the ads that we placed online via social media platform also help us to disseminate the information about solution and how people can leverage it to ensure that we have easy uptake of vaccination and also prevention of COVID-19 itself.
The mass messaging component of the intervention, as sponsored by the Mastercard Foundation, enabled us to deliver text messages to 1.5 million people across 6 states, including individuals in FCT, Nasarawa, Kano, Kaduna, and in Lagos State. According to what we have been able to support more than 2.5 million people with this solution through USSD and SMS, and that is really, really impactful and transformational.